Reviewing Tetris game. Here are different games. Let's play Tetris. Kalinka Maya. It was invented in Russia. Oh, level 1. In level 2. So it is 2, 4, 6, 8 pixels times 16 pixels. Yay, level 5. On the back we have batteries. Here is quite large microcontroller because they have many LEDs to control. Speaker comes with good instructions. Instructions are also in internet, online, with videos. There is no power off button, it will switch off automatically. So let's play Snake. I missed. The kit comes nicely sealed in a plastic bag with everything you need. There are good assembly instructions as well. USB cable is only for powering, not for programming.